안녕하세요 여러분 and welcome to lesson 75 of Hello Korean. As you can see on this screen, we are going to learn the difference between ul, nun and un noun modifiers. Coming to the learning objectives, to understand the difference between the verb plus ul or nun or un as noun modifiers. Coming to the explanation part, ul, nun, un are used with an action verb to indicate that an action or a state will happen, currently happening, or already happened respectively while modifying the noun following it. These three noun modifiers we have already completed in details. You can refer to lesson 59 and 60 for un, lesson 71 and 72 for nun, and 73, 74 for ul. Now, see one example here. There is a glass of water, and this is water to drink. What is happening here? Future tense noun modifier ul is added with the action verb mashida, and it is changed to mashilmul. Next, now let's drink this water, and it will be changed to mashinanmul. Water I drink with the present tense noun modifier. And the remaining water will be mashinmul with the past tense noun modifier. Now you have some idea. Let's move to the next part. Now second example is here. Let's buy a book to read. It will be ilgal check. Ul is added with an action verb ikta here to show that action will happen in the future. You can see here the use of future tense noun modifier. Now next, after buying, let's read this book. The same book will be changed to ingnan check with the present tense noun modifier nun. After reading, let's put the same book into the bookshelf. It will be now ilgan check. See here, ilgan check with the past tense noun modifier. See how the same object changes the role depending on the noun modifier with the action verb. Ilgal check, ingnan check, and ilgan check. Next, see one more example here. That is the school where I will study. If we want to make this sentence in Korean, we need the future tense noun modifier ul. It will be kumbu hal hakyo. See here, future tense noun modifier with the action verb kumbu hada. Now let's start studying in the same school. It will be changed to kumbu hanan hakyo. Kumbu hanan hakyo with the present tense noun modifier nun. After completing my education, the same school will be now kumbu han hakyo with the past tense noun modifier. Now, we hope the difference is clear between three noun modifiers, that is future tense noun modifier ul, present tense noun modifier nun, and the past tense noun modifier un. See here, kumbu hal hakyo, kumbu hanan hakyo, and kumbu han hakyo. You can see in all the three situations, this is followed by a noun. Kumbu hal hakyo, kumbu hanan hakyo, and kumbu han hakyo. Next, coming to the conjugation, it can be added only with the action verbs. Conjugation details are here. First, verb with the final consonant, verbs which are having the pachin. So in that case, for the future tense, we have to add ul, for the present tense nun, and for the past tense un. See number 1 here, mokta will be mogal for the future tense, mongnan for the present tense, and mogan for the past tense. Number 2, Ikta will be ilgal, ingnan, and ilgan. Number 3, ditta will be thil, tinun, and thirun. Number 4, mandalda, mandal, mandanan, and mandan. Clear, your Roman? Now let's understand the conjugation rules with no final consonant when there is a no pachim. In the no pachim case, for the future tense, we have to add la, present tense nun, and for the past tense na only. See number 1, khada will be khal for the future tense, khanan for the present tense, and khan for the past tense. Number 2, pheuda will be pheul, pheunan, and pheun. Number 3, undong hada, undong hal, undong hanan, and undong han. Next, there is a very important supplement. Important point is here. See here. Un is also used with the present tense adjectives while modifying the noun following it. So for the adjectives with the final consonant, we have to add un. Number 1, nata will be najan. Number 2, mantha will be manan. Number 3, chakta will be chagan. Few examples are here. Number 1, najan san, low height mountain. Number 2, manan chingu, lots of friends. Number 3, chagan cheksang, small desk. If you see here, un is followed by a noun. Coming to the second category, for the adjectives without final consonant, we have to add n. Number 1, sada will be san. Number 2, yeppuda yeppun. Number 3, kekkathada will be kekkathan. Here are the examples. Number 1, san khabang, cheap bag, yeppan coat. And number 3, kekkathan palm. So now we hope this supplement is clear. This is very important. You can see with the adjectives, we can add un and it will modify the noun following it. Clear? Now let's have a look at few more examples. See number 1, mogal pang, bread to be eaten. Mongnan pang, bread I eat. And mogan pang, bread that I ate. In the last row, we can see similar meaning sentences with the tense grammar. Mogal pang is similar to pangal mogal koyo. Mongnan pang is similar to pangal mogoyo. And mogan pang is similar to pangal mogosoyo. Here the structure of the sentence and the grammar are different but conveys similar meaning. Mogal pang, mongnan pang, mogan pang. Clear? Next. Next example is Mannal chingu, friend to meet. Mannanan chingu, friend I meet. And Mannan chingu, friend I met. See here, Mannal chingu, Mannanan chingu, and Mannan chingu. One more example is here. Mandal kimchi, kimchi to make. Mandanan kimchi, kimchi I make. And Mandan kimchi, kimchi that I made. See here again. Mandal kimchi, Mandanan kimchi, and Mandan kimchi depending on the modifiers. Now we hope the difference between three noun modifiers is clear. It's time to wrap up this lesson. Your kind feedback and comments will be highly appreciated. 감사합니다, 여러분. 안녕히 계십시오. 다음에 뵐게요.